Hello students, welcome to the English class. I hope you all are good and safe in the home. Children, in today's class, I'm going to teach you grammar. But before I tell you the topic I'm going to ask you few questions. What is grammar? Well, I tell you, grammar is a description of the possible arrangements of words in a language. The sounds, the words and the rules to combine them into well-formed and meaningful sentence constitute the grammar of a language. In other words, grammar provides the rules for common use of both spoken and written language. So, we can more easily understand each other. And it is very important because it is the language that makes it possible for us to talk about language. Okay children, so for today's topic is sentence and its kinds. I repeat, the topic is sentence and its kinds. Now, let's see what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. I repeat, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Children, remember, a sentence is a complete thought and it always begins with the capital letters. Examples: Raju is playing cricket. Raju says, "Mummy, I'm hungry." What is your name? How old are you? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Vijay is an Indian actor. Akbar was a wise king. Chennai is the capital state of Tamil Nadu. So children, you can notice here that these sentences starts with the capital letters and gives a complete meaning. So children, what is a sentence? Yes, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Now, let's see kinds of sentences. Children, in sentence there are 4 kinds of sentences and they are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. I repeat, in sentence there are 4 kinds of sentences. They are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. Now let's see what is declarative sentence. Children, the declarative sentence is also called as statements. Now let's see the definition of declarative sentence. A sentence that tells us something is called declarative sentence, that is statement. I repeat, a sentence that tells us something is called declarative sentence. In other words, a simple statement can be called as declarative sentence. The sentence which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history, or anything is called declarative sentence. A declarative sentence ends with a period. Example, Priya is a good guitarist. Here, the sentence is giving facts that Priya is a good guitarist. And what is our subject in the sentence? Yes, Priya is a subject and Priya is a good guitarist. So, this sentence is declarative sentence. Children, notice that the declarative sentence always ends up with a full stop. And the second example, this car is blue. Children, this sentence is statement because it is telling a fact that this car is blue. So this is a declarative sentence. And next example, Raju wanted to play shuttle but his friend wanted to play football. Now you might be wonder that what kind of sentence is this? Yes, we have the word but in this sentence, but this sentence is still a declarative sentence because it is giving a fact. What is the fact? That Raju wanted to play shuttle but this friend wanted to play football. So this sentence is still a declarative sentence. Okay children, now let's see more examples of declarative sentence. I'm feeling sick, which expresses feeling. Draw using pencil rather than pen, which expresses opinion. Raju met accident, which expresses incident. Sports day function stopped due to rain, which expresses event. Akbar was a wise king, which expresses history. He got black belt in karate, which expresses anything. So children, the sentence which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history or anything is called declarative sentence. Okay children, that's all about declarative sentence. Now let's see what is interrogative sentence. Children, the interrogative sentence is also called as question. Now let's see the definition of interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks something is called interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks something is called interrogative sentence, that is question. In other words, an interrogative sentence is one that asks a direct question and always ends in a question mark. Note, a sentence starts with what, when, how, who, why, do or interrogative sentences. Example, are you hungry? Now this sentence is asking a question, so this kinds of sentence which ask a question are known as interrogative sentence. Children, notice that the interrogative sentence is always ends up with a question mark. And now let's see the other examples. What is your father's name? Why are you late today? Whose book is this? Who are you? How are you doing? Where do you live? So these are the example for interrogative sentence. Now let's see what is imperative sentence. A sentence that gives a command or request is an imperative sentence. A sentence that gives a command or request is an imperative sentence. In other words, the sentence which express order, command, request, advice or suggestion are called imperative sentences. Imperative sentences usually end with a period but can occasionally end with an exclamation point. This sentence are sometimes referred to as directive because they provide direction to whoever is being addressed. For example, stop talking, which expresses order. March forward, which expresses command. Kindly help me, which expresses request. Work hard, which expresses advice. Let us have a walk, which expresses suggestion. So children, here notice that the imperative sentence ends with a full stop. But sometimes it ends up with exclamation mark. For example, move out of my way. Now if somebody says move out of my way, they are using a very strong emotion to express a command of move out of my way. In such a case, we end our imperative sentence with the exclamation mark. So imperative sentences which have a very strong feeling attached to it, it ends up with the exclamation mark. And next example, get out from this place. So this is also an imperative sentence. Now let's see the last kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a sudden or strong feeling is an exclamatory sentence. I repeat, a sentence that expresses a sudden or strong feeling is an exclamatory sentence. In other words, the sentence which expresses some strong feeling or emotion such as sorrow, joy, surprise, wonder, etc. are called exclamatory sentence. Example, what a beautiful flower it is. Now this sentence is showing us a strong feeling. What a beautiful flower it is. So this kind of sentence which expresses strong feeling are known as exclamatory sentence. And children, you will notice that exclamatory sentence that always ends with an exclamation mark. And next example, bravo, well done. Now this sentence is showing as a strongly emotion, bravo, well done. And so it is exclamatory sentence. And next example, oh, what a fool he is. So this also shows a very strong sentiment. Oh, what a fool he is. So this also an exclamatory sentence. And next, how beautiful the rainbow is. Now, in this sentence, also there is a strong feeling or emotion attached to it. How beautiful the rainbow is. So, this also an exclamatory sentence. Ha! All the questions are easy. So, this is also an exclamatory sentence. They are associating a very strong feeling or emotion to it. Ha! All the questions are easy. And next, what a tall tree it is. Now, in this sentence, also there is a strong feeling or emotion attached to it. What a tall tree it is. So, this is also an exclamatory sentence. How intelligent you are. What a lovely sight. What a fine idea. Oh, what a fine climate. So this sentence comes under exclamatory sentence. Okay, children? And so these kinds of sentence which express a strong feeling are known as exclamatory sentence. And now let's exercise by identifying the kinds of sentence. Children, look at the first sentence. How beautiful the rainbow is. Here, what kind of sentence is this? Yes, exclamatory sentence. And next sentence. Why are you late today? Why are you late today? Here, what kind of sentence is used here? Yes, interrogative sentence. And next sentence. Kindly help me. Kindly help me. Children, look at the sentence carefully and answer. Yes, imperative sentence. And next sentence. Ha, all the questions are easy. Ha, all the questions are easy. So here, what kind of sentence is used here? Yes, exclamatory sentence. And next, Raju met accident. Raju met accident. Here, what kind of sentence is used here? Yes, declarative sentence. And next sentence, whose book is this? Whose book is this? Here, what kind of sentence is used here? Yes, interrogative sentence. And the last sentence, draw using pencil rather than pen. Draw using pencil rather than pen. So children, here what kind of sentence is used? Yes, declarative sentence. Okay children, now let's summarize the definition of 4 kinds of sentence. First one, what is declarative sentence? A sentence that tells us something is a statement or declarative sentence. And next, what is interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks something is a question or interrogative sentence. And next, what is imperative sentence? A sentence that gives a command or request is an imperative sentence. And next, what is exclamatory sentence? A sentence that express a sudden or strong feeling is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, children, I hope you all understood what is sentence and the kinds of sentence and how to identify the kinds of sentence. Thank you, children.